In writing this week, we're going to continue with opinion writing. But this week, we're going to write a problem and solution paragraph. A problem and solution paragraph includes a problem, a solution, reasons and the details to support the solution, and a concluding statement. What makes a great problem and solution paragraph? The problem is clearly stated at the beginning. An opinion poses a solution to the problem. Reasons and examples support the solution. And a concluding statement makes a final statement about the solution. For this example, the prompt is to think of a problem you could have if you traveled to a new place. How might you solve this problem? One of the hardest parts of traveling is packing. Even a full suitcase might not have everything. Solve this problem by making a list. You can cross things off as you pack them. That way you won't forget anything. A list will keep you from packing too much. Take the list with you. You can use it to make sure you don't leave anything behind. It's the most important thing you can pack. So we have our problem clearly stated. Hardest part is packing. Even that full suitcase might not have everything you need. So then how are we going to solve that? Well, by making a list. Here's the reasons why a list would solve that problem. You can cross things off as you pack them, then you won't forget anything. A list will help keep you from packing too much. You can take that list with you to make sure that you don't leave anything behind. Then our concluding statement, it is the most important thing you can pack. Let's work on the second problem and solution paragraph together. It is exciting to travel, but it can be easy to feel out of place. A good way to avoid this feeling is to read a guidebook. There are guidebooks about places all over the world. These books tell you about local traditions. A guidebook about Brazil, for instance, will tell you about a festival called Carnival. Some guidebooks even teach you a new language. Before you know it, you'll feel right at home. So the first thing we need to look for is the problem. The problem should be clearly stated at the beginning. It is exciting to travel, but it can be easy to feel out of place. That is a problem. So then what is the opinion that poses a solution? A good way to avoid this feeling is to read a guidebook. There's our solution. Now we'll find the reasons and examples to support the solution. There are guidebooks about places all over the world. There are lots of them. They tell you about local traditions. And then we have a specific example about the guidebook from Brazil talking about the festival Carnival. And our last reason is that some guidebooks even teach you a new language. The concluding statement is before you know it, you'll feel right at home. We'll be revisiting these things that make a great problem and solution paragraph as we write our problem and solution paragraph this week. Writers choose exact words to help readers better understand their ideas. Choosing exact words instead of general words helps the writer clearly present a solution or the reasons to support their solution. Good writers of persuasive problem and solution paragraphs use exact words, nouns, adjective, adverbs, and verbs, to express clearly what they want to say. We're going to compare a sentence without exact words and a sentence with exact words. So here's the one that's kind of vague and uses general words. The dog chased the cat. Now here's an example with exact words. The large, playful golden retriever chased the tiny calico cat. Do you see how choosing exact words can help you clearly support and get your point and your story across? You're going to rewrite each sentence, adding exact words to express the writer's thoughts more clearly. You're going to make up your own specific details and exact words. So here's our general word sentence. The piano fell. You are going to write an exact word sentence. For example, as it was being lowered to the ground, the expensive piano crashed and splintered into pieces. I don't know about you, but that is way more interesting for my reader. You're going to work through this page together. Make sure that you are going over your answers with your learning partner at home. And then think about what you would like to write about this week. What problem do you have some good solutions that you can support with reasons for? Think about that